Devang, can you confirm that you can see my screen and no, I'm audible like that? Camera is not working, but is everything else fine? Yeah, but the camera is not working. Okay, okay, so we'll start. Friday, bit of a different day actually. Hmm. Uh, hmm. This. So what happened at New York AM? See a little bit about that. Okay. Hi Nish. Hi, hi. Good evening, Chaitanya. Good evening. Hello, Yaman. Good evening. So I want to take some trades, but since it's Friday, we'll keep it a low size, guys. Okay. We're just going to trade a little bit in Lucid, the prop firm. I already made money with just a little, just 0.01. Why not? Uh, so there we go. Yeah, NQ has to pump. NQ has to pump because the draw on liquidity is where over here. Okay, this is the next place where NQ is targeting. This point, this golden line over here, right? This is something NQ really wants to touch. So see, everything looks the same. Everything looks the same. Okay, so we want to take these highs as soon as possible. That is what NQ is trying to do. So we should have to we let's try to take an entry. I really want to long gold also for some weird reason, but NQ will do. Two, we need max profit per day is 100. No problem, Devang. We're just looking for setups and trying to trade. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So what is NQ doing? Let's make a quick observation. Okay. You can see over here on the 15 minutes from yesterday, we had this huge sell-off, which I already told everybody that NQ will make a huge sell-off. And we have dumped around like 560 points, taking all these lows, and we have bounced back up. After we bounced, we came here, hit this fair value gap, and now we are selling. Okay, this was seller's power. After that, we sold. We came here again. There was a five, I think 5 or 30 minutes FVG over here. This didn't bounce just because of FVG. Okay, this thing bounced because from last Monday, this was the zone where majority of the orders were placed. That's the reason I have this golden line, and that is the reason why this thing has pumped very strongly. It's a golden line, and if you are putting a fib sequence or anything, right? Fib sequence or any sequence related, looking at the highs and the lows, this is like 786 level. So there was a very good retracement level, by the way. That was a very good retracement level, and it kind of just bounced and did its thing. Works. That is that. So we're trying to take a trade, but the sellers are still in power. The sellers are too prominently strong. But this is the DOL. The 50-50 chance of this trade, not the more likely today, everybody is going to hit stop loss again. Okay. Because it's a bit of a gray area type of trading situation. Okay. Because the price even doesn't know what it wants. If it was normal days, I would be very sure that we should be targeting over here. Okay, this is where majority of the liquidity is. This is where we should have targeted. But since after a long time we made a sweep on all the asset classes, right? US 30, TX 500, gold, everything is dumped out just like that. So not very sure should I target long or anything, but we will take type of a micro scalp right now. Okay, small trade. I just need to make 30 bucks, guys. So why am I taking a small micro scalp over this? You can see over here that we had this huge reversal up here. Last time buyers tried to very strongly push the price up towards the upside. So they will try still again one more time to push the price up to higher high. If they fail, they'll fail miserably. Okay. Let's consider this a buyer's power and just add just one more. Okay. Let's see if it works or not. You can see the last time buyers have pushed price over here. Similar price, similar same level, the buyers are trying to push again because they have aggressive selling, aggressive buying going on. Okay. So the time is at a new 15-minute candle has come up. So you will see a little bit of retracement because last time buyers are aggressively being available in this area. So I will get my, wait a little bit. You can see the PNL over here, like the 20 minus 29, 40 minus. So we are currently, you can see we are at a profit now of 5, 8, 9, 30. Oh, I shouldn't make $50. I just made a just quick 15 bucks, just like that trading. I know this will go till here and all, but that is enough for me because this is a funding account, and if I make more money, I'll struggle to make even more money. So I don't want to make more money in this stupid funding account. This is the thing with future prop firms and all that, guys. It sucks to make. You cannot make more money. Okay, so this is the account. You can see it's lucid funded, 25K account. View the details. You can see this. See, this is all I do in futures. I just predict the next 5 minute candle is all I care about. If I do that just with 2.2, I can go up to 20 if I want to. Right? But this is all I need, and I made just a little bit today. See, 100. I wanted to make 20 bucks, but it showed up very fast. Okay, fine. This is my new consistency, but it's not that too much. It's just $10 and above. So it's on day 28, it is 132, 29 is 114, day 30 is 144. So my consistency is little bit too much. So the next 2 days I will make like 60 or $80 in profit, something like that. And probably take a payout next week in front of you guys. Maybe Wednesday live will take a payout. This is one account. They have to give me a free reset because trade away didn't work. Hopefully they'll give me the reset soon. This account we passed, and we are at we have to maintain consistency below 40%. This consistency rule we were talking in our group Market Shala today. Yeah, we were talking in Market Shala today. If only I have seen the plan, right? I've seen this flex plan properly. This has no limitations, as in there's no consistency rule. I would have let this thing run like a monster. See, like this. I know this is happening, but I still cannot take this. Why? Because I'm afraid I will make more money. And when you make more money, you need to make more money for payout. It is such an awful rule to have, but I just wanted to make 20 bucks. I ended up making 40. I'm sad I'm making money. It's a very different it's a very different feel when you're trading, on these funding accounts. Such a waste of time and all. But whatever the case, guys, price is fractal, like I always say, right? Price is fractal. And if you look at this thing, right, if you look at this thing from all the way here to here, you can I think I want to lose that $10. That is what I feel right now, because I don't know, tomorrow the rules will change again. Such a I see, the thing is, I know this is coming, but I still cannot take it. So it's like you say, such a disgust. I don't want to say it, but we are live as well. Thing is recorded. Okay, so that's the thing. So the quick analysis was on NQ. Our bias is bullish. We made a huge fall. After that, NQ started to retrace from here. So you can see from this zone to this zone, the buyers are there. And if you go to 15 minutes, you can see over here that we had a huge imbalance over here that has to be filled, and we have to go back up. Now, eventually, price is going to go like this only, guys. It is still here, somewhere over here it will go. But unfortunately, I cannot hold the trade till that long. I'm restricted. Okay, so whatever the case, on the lower time frame, what we saw is we saw the huge sweep from yesterday. Price went up, filled the imbalance above, came back, filled this fair value gap below, and then we're going back up. This before London session, we took Asia high, and then we dropped back down again. We engineered liquidity a little bit, and a little push happened. So buyers are in the prominent space right now. So that is why I went buy, and I didn't take buy. If you look at the lower macro, right? If you look at this, I didn't take my buy. This is the range. In my I'm not using this, but even in my naked eye, when I'm seeing this, this is my range. In this, where is the best place to buy? I already put buyer's zone over here. Seen it, right? So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to take a little bit of scalp or something on a very good level. So last time you can see huge buyers momentum. Sellers pushing price down, buyers were still strong. And whenever price is on a very good level, whenever price is coming over here, you see the rejection. Even in 1 minute, you see the rejection. See this, right? See the rejection, we are strong. Sellers are trying again, but buyers are making higher high. So last time when we are coming back to the same zone when buyers have entered, you see the rejection again. That's why we took my trade, one trade over here and average another one over here. So our entry was over here. This enough, we made money. Okay, so this is all I need. Now I don't care. Okay, because with that few informations alone, it was good enough for us to make money. Now it could accumulate. NASDAQ is like a psycho sometimes. It will just make a huge dump and then it will go back up. We don't know. But at least we were able to spot small momentum so that we can trade. Okay. Next thing, for gold as well, right? For gold also, you can see when I'm telling you guys, you see this pattern like this. It's not a pattern. You can see regular price action, right? See, going up, going down, being a little bit more, downtrends and all these things and all that. But whenever you see this, you see the difference, right? You see something is going on which you don't know. So when I see this, I don't like to enter. It doesn't matter. See this on the HTF, say if I'm at 1 hour or anything, this looks pretty bullish for me. It's dropping that W pattern, the W pattern, so it will just go back up again like that. But since I've seen that move, I will not take this. I really want to long from here till here. It's a quite possible move that's going. If we can take London high and then drop also, or at least we'll come to my golden line and we create engineer liquidity like this and fall also. One or two things has bound to happen, but I'm still not taking it because I've seen it. You guys understood, right? So why did gold dump like this? Right? You have to observe that as well. So why did gold dump like this? Because in 1 year, a certain currency, commodity, whatever it is, cannot make more than 15%, right? It cannot make more than 15% whole year. But gold has made the same thing in 1 month. So people cannot long gold even if they want. So when people are not longing gold, sellers are already there. But instead of making 15%, gold has made 18%. So there is not much, the buyers will automatically turn into sellers. So when you're not buying, that means you're selling. So that is why we dumped harder. I was very sure it was going to happen Wednesday or Thursday. I took a SL on Wednesday and the move happened on Thursday. That is what we are not able to predict. Like, when is the exact day these things are bound to happen? That's the one thing we cannot predict. But if you do so, right, if you do so, you can you can make some good money, this thing and all that, so everything will be fine. So that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. And just be consistent, okay? Be consistent, and slowly, steadily, everything will be fine. So our balance has been updated on Lucid. You can see over here on this pop firm that our consistency score is still the same. It's taking a lot of time to do. Our consistency score is 144 maximum profit. We're still at 36% consistency. I shouldn't make more amount. I shouldn't make even more and more and more. Somewhere in between those range. 2 more days, if I make it, I'll eligible for a payout. It will be like 600 or 800, $700, thing like that. So slowly, this is we are building up. We're building all the accounts. For NASDAQ, it's still struggling in the same place. It's Friday, guys. I wouldn't push it to make huge moves, but we can take some micro scalp if there's anything available. Uh, maybe if gold comes here, we'll look for buys. I just want to see. Okay. If gold comes here, maybe we'll look for scalp buys, but we have to be very strict with our entry and exit. Okay, very strict means very strict. I'll load up the terminal. Give me just 1 minute. Don't risk so much. 0.01 is also good enough. Okay. See what we got. Gold. I'll split the screen from. I'm just going to long 0.05. But I want it to take this low. If it takes this low, we will see. This will be the very perfect entry. It has to touch my alert, okay? But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's Friday. I'm not going to place huge bets and worry. It's just a small trade. Let's see if it doesn't work. Even gold is dumping, kind of. Ooh, super sharp movements from gold. I'm a bit like how do I say this? A bit strong on this level because this green line, see over here, right? This green line represents the previous week low level. That is why I wanted to buy here also, but we didn't take a sweep. If we had took a sweep, I would have bought this. This is why I didn't buy it. So usually when something like this happens, some kind of manipulation happens, and then we fall right back again. So now I wanted to take this low, come over here and do something. This is what we are going to capitalize. Okay, nothing else, nothing fancy. Let's see if market is ready to give that move. We just have to wait and see. That's the only setup I got, guys. NQ, we already took some money. $30. 30 or $30. More than enough. So let's see if this thing dumps on. Or we can take sell right now. Want to do that? I'm going to take 2 positions. Sell here. I want to sell limit 0.0. Here. More 0. Okay. So let this thing come back up, hit this and make new lows. Okay. After that, based on, see, because it's very aggressive, very aggressive selling. So if it comes there, selling would be very nice. We'll buy based on how it reacts over here, or there is a high probability that it can dump like this and then look for reversal as well. Okay. Because there is last lows here as well, so it can wipe it off before it goes back up. That is what more likely is going to happen, I believe right now. Okay, the buying pressure, the sellers are still strong, so we'll go with sellers now. Okay, simple as that. Let it come to our level before it. I don't think it will come. uh, if it comes to our level, we'll take it. Else we'll I'll set an alert. This alert is pointless. Buyer zone. My next buyer zone is over here, which I already marked. Maybe if it comes there, we'll see. There's no point, right? Buying this. I have 2 sell orders. See how it reacts. Buyers are trying with the small sweep. Buyers are trying. Come on, buyers. I don't want to see a clumsy move. Right? I want to see a move sharp like this. And then I want it to fall. I want to see something. I don't want slow. Oh, oops. I mean, the buyers are struggling, to say the least. Buyers are pretty struggling. Hey, I don't think we will get the order filled, guys. Let me take advantage of this imbalance. The sellers are still more prominent enough. Pinna mama class. Let's see. Only setup we have now is we sell over here. Sellers are very strong, guys. Very strong. Let's take a small buy with zero break even risk. Okay, what now? This last low, 2 pips below this last. I believe it will come till let's go gold, a micro scalp. We're up $24, $7, 8. Just move a little bit. I'll close my SL to break. Come on, on. From lost, we're back to break even again. If I see some good volume, I'll put my break even to right place. Okay, I see some good volume. Let the 1 minute confirm. What time is it? 8:30. That's some good volume, guys. Good volume. We are up 660, 30, 30. Is going to just what's the next candle going? This thing is going to be a green candle. Push it up here. I'm gonna set it to. I'll close the candle and then I'll just. Think so. Okay, I'll set it to break even right now. It's a risk-free trade. There's nothing to worry about. We're up $150. We're long 0.09 only. We're up $150. That okay. We are up struggling, bro. My best entry should have been over here. Bad entry. If I had made a better entry, I would have already made $200. Okay, times break even hit, there's no wrong buyers, guys. There's no point. We'll just wait. I think it's just going to dump. Just wait and see. Our next confirmation around. Let it take this low. I want to see something like this. Let it take. Yeah, it's great BE for me also. But that was a good thing, you know. We could have, this was normal gold, it would have happened. At least it come till here. That was okay. Let's try one. Let's see how the candle finishes. Two, not great. Okay, that is the level, guys. I'm not sure from this price. The buyers are not 50-50. Sellers are already there. I don't want to trade against them. Uh, Pregnancy. But what we did right now, this break even method, is a very good method. Okay, so that when you guys are trying to take a trade, if it goes against you, you can put it in break even, so you're risk free. Your capital is protected. Uh, you guys know that you're trading well because our entry was here. If my entry was over here, you would have still made money. Small things, guys. That's all that matters. Hmm. If it didn't hit break even, our TP would have hit it. But since it's Friday, I don't care. No, I save money. That's all that matters. Well, it was good, right? It was good. We protected our capital. We entered at a very decent spot. If we didn't put it on break even, our stop was over here, we would have made money. Pretty much based on our risk, it will be a minimum 1:3 RR. That's how it is. Sometimes it will happen. But you will get another moment like this in the next 30 minutes. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's see some other asset classes as well. I don't want to sit here for a long time. Usually it should have dumped, but okay, gold is gold. Unbeatable. It was NASDAQ. Still in the same place. God damn. Who whoever is longing from here, their stop loss has hit. Going back up. People are shorting here. Now it will go back. It's a bit crazy with NASDAQ. US 30 is a bit weird. Gold, it's okay. This we're in break even. We didn't money. What's there for Bitcoin? This thing, this thing now, it will do like this. Bam. You know, something like this is what was going to happen in Bitcoin. Oh, that. Hold on. It's not strong, guys. Nothing is strong, and I don't know what to evaluate. Sellers can come in anytime. Even now also we can sell, but I want to trade at my level. We just give 15 more minutes and see what the price is actually doing. Price is actually let's see. Come on, man. Okay, we are at 8:30. I'm sorry, 8:45. This 15-minute needs to give some kind of volatility. Now it's 50-50, guys. Okay, now it's 50. There's no point in trading, right? It can do one of the two things. One is come still here, go back up, or go like this. So it's stupid to trade right now. You gotta trade sells over here, trade buys over here. We don't do anything in the 50-50. This is where a lot of people lose money because they think they missed a move. Yeah, they think they missed a move and they'll be like, oh, this is a fair value gap. Let me try to end. Suddenly it will do like this. There's no, it's easy stop loss. Stop loss. Does not do that like others. Be a little more patient. It's a very good entry. But since I believe that the sellers are there, maybe it will just. Okay. If it's going to dump, you're seeing dump. Even if this hits stop loss, but anybody of you still holding this, right? I highly recommend to hold this piece till we take this low and come back somewhere over here. It's somewhere over here, 4,930. It will happen. It will happen. It's almost near our position. Take the entry, bro. Entry. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh. Ah. First entry is triggered, guys, which is 0.04. We're gonna see how the price action is from now on. We're gonna observe it a little bit more. Hmm. This will keep a decent. because I'm martingale it. It can dump now or it can take the high and dump. Let's see. So our entry is hit. As soon as we hit our entry, we are starting to sell off. Okay, this is looking nice. Ooh, there's a good amount of sellers. Keep our TP. There. Maybe when time is about like 9 o'clock or something, you'll see some kind of liquidity. It's taking way too long. Maybe in another 5 minutes. I'll put some music, guys. This is taking too long. Anyone took this? If I do that, the channel will be, copyright strike will come. So just can't put it. Taking one eternity. Bro, just said. Doing. Okay, guys, this looks like it's going to take a while. We'll just continue this in our community. Okay. Thank you for coming, guys. Bye for now.